Guys, Gillian, Fluid Kiteboarding. I'm gonna be taking you through the air kite. The air kite comes with the power valve, as on every kite of Fluid Kiteboarding this year. So I'm gonna start off with that. The power valve is pretty easy. You got the big deflation hole and the top cap. You will need to put the big cap into the hole and just turn so it's inside all the way until you can't go further, and open this up to inflate it, and when you're done just close it down like this and also turn it on. When you want to deflate the kite, just open up the entire valve again and it's gonna be empty within seconds. So just screw it in and it will lock. You're done. So make sure there's nothing in between, like the small rope to keep the cap in place. That will leak some air. So be sure it's just the cap into the hole like this, nothing in between, nice and clean. So I'm gonna pump it up, and then after I'll see you again with all the features of the air kite. So this is it, the new air kite. Comes in 17 and 15 meters. It's a SLE kite for light wind and racing purposes. So this is the 17, as you can see. It's a 4-line kite, but there's an additional 5th line you can use. You won't have to use it, but it's easier if you do. It's the ERL. It's connected to the back side of the 2nd strut on the right, and when you pull it, you can pull down the strut and make it easier to relaunch it. It will flip over and you can just fly it again. So the new air kite has single inflation system, as you can see, and also the fluid power valve. And the power valve is really easy to use. You've got the big cap over here. Now I'm gonna keep it in because I don't want to pump it again. We will make another video about the power valve and the single inflation system. So you can close the tubes if you want, but we will keep it open for now because we won't do much crazy stuff and we won't drown on land. So this is it. As I said, it's 4-lined normally. We have the 5th line ERL line on for the video. Normally when we use it, it's also on the 5th ERL line. So you have the bridle with a thick piece over here. The thick piece, you use it a lot and it will wear down, of course. So it's easy to replace and cheaper to just replace one part of the line instead of all. With the new bar ends, the new handles, the tubing around the deep power rope, the chicken loop with the release system. Connect your leash to here if you're a beginner. If you're a good one, you can connect it to here and the chicken loop both, and your safety release will still work. You've got the thick new donkey deck that won't rip off. It's much better quality, and of course the chicken loop. This year's chicken loop has the locking system also. This will lock into the bar hole, which is right here, and it's a big one. So you've got the clamp cleat system to depower it, and you've got the new bar ends, which are really easy to use. Now, as I said, this is the air setting, so we have 2 lines on the right side. Normally, if you want to use the bar on the same kite, on the ATV or on the Ego, you just take off the blue line, take it off completely, and you have a normal 4-line bar. Also, you can change the size of the bar by connecting your line on the other side. We will make another video about that, or we already have, so check it out also. So this is the air kite. It's flying on its own.